Look at that. Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video, another episode of our cooking trips. If you're new to this channel, and for those who don't know me yet, my name is Maidah and I'm the Drunken Chef. If you guys love food and eating and cooking, you're on the right channel. So don't forget to subscribe button below for more videos like this, and don't forget to hit the like button. So anyway guys, I'm gonna show you today how to make banana oatmeal pancakes. So what are we waiting for guys? Let's dive into it. So as you can see guys, I've got two kinds of bananas. One is like really overripe, as you can see. And one is just fine, just normal. So I'm gonna use this for mixing the butter and this for garnish. So let's start making our pancake mix. So first off guys, we're gonna ground our oatmeal. And then next guys, we're just gonna add all our ingredients, basically and literally just add them all. I'm adding our flour, cinnamon powder, and then baking powder. So guys, if you want to try this recipe, I'm gonna post it down below the description. So I've got almond milk, but this is optional. You can use like the normal milk. And in like that. And I've got here some vegetable oil. I prefer coconut oil, but it's quite strong. I wanted to make like the bananas to come out in the flavor. So just add your oil. And then I'm gonna use overripe bananas, sorry. So just peel them and just crush them and add them. And then we're gonna add a pinch of salt. And then guys, we're just slowly gonna add our 1 egg. And just mix again. So now our pancake mix is ready. So actually we have to rest it for about 15 to 20 minutes just to allow the oats to rest for a while and to absorb all the wet ingredients. So guys, my pancake mix is well rested. Again, the reason why we have to rest our pancake is because oats absorbs a lot of liquid, so if you cook it straight up after you mix the pancake mix, the end result would be quite dry. So we have to rest it guys. Now our pancakes are ready to go. Let's cook it. Alright, so usually I cook my pancakes in a butter, not oil, but of course it's up to you if you want to cook it with oil. But for me, I wanted to cook it on a butter because it gives more flavor. So now let's add our pancake mix. Right guys, so as you can see, I have my bananas as my garnish and some roasted almonds. I roasted this earlier. I just put it in the oven just to roast it a little bit so it will get really crunchy and crispy. So first off, we have to cut our bananas. So actually guys, you can use different flavors for your pancake. It could be berries, blueberry pancakes, or strawberry pancakes. Just do the same procedure. So now we grab a plate. And there you have it guys, our oatmeal banana pancakes. So look at that guys, look at that. So let's have a try guys. This is really good. So good, so delicious. It's properly balanced. The texture is really soft, and you can actually feel the oatmeal texture. So look at that guys. Look at that. Look at that guys. Look at that.